In ICSE, we have the informal letter. Informal letters are also known as the personal letter or the friendly letter. They are written usually to the close relatives or your friends. Now let's move on with the format. Now first of all, we start with the self address. Keep it in mind, for writing your address we can only use 3 lines. When we say 3 lines, that is means the third line should have the name of the city, to whichever city you happen to belong. So before that you have 2 lines. So here you are going to write your own address. Each line you can see is ending with a comma, and when it comes to the name of the city, that is the third line, you have to make a prominent visible full stop. After that, the fourth line is utilized for writing the date. So you can see how the date is written, 24th July 2021. So whatever, whether it is 22nd ND, 23rd RD, it should always be written on the line. It should not be hanging in the air. When it comes to writing the name of the month, it should be the complete name, no short versions for the name of the month. Complete spelling has to be written. After the month you have to place a comma, and then you have to go for the running year. That is means whatever year it is, you have to write that. And it is also not going to be written apostrophe and 21. It should be the complete year, 2021. Now after that, for the neat and tidy work, you have to leave a line and switch over to the salutation part. Now you can see how the salutation has been given. It always is capital small, capital small. Now why I say capital small, always the salutation will be starting with the capital, that is my, M is capital, you can see, then dear, D is small, then the name of the person is a proper noun, so it will always be written with capital, and after that you have the comma. If supposing you are writing to your parents, say supposing you are writing to your father, my dear father, so father usually is not a name, it is a common noun, but here it is taken as a proper noun, and that is the reason F will be written capital. So M capital, D small, and F of father will be capital. So after that you have the comma, and then we come to the main body part of the letter. According to the question which is given there, you have to search out 5 points. You have to search for the relevant 5 points which are to be covered under your body part. Keep it in mind, the opening of the sentence should be very, very impressive. 1 mark is given for that, and the closing sentence, that the concluding sentence of this body part also should be impressive, because 1 mark is provided for that. Remaining points should be there, 5 points should be there. So 5 points means 2.5 marks are provided for the points, 5 points, half a mark for each point. So all those 5 points have to be mentioned related to the topic which is given in the question. Now overall, for the expression of this body part, how you are going to express your thoughts, how you are going to present your points, all this is counting of 5 marks. So 5 points should be there, that is 2.5 marks for the points. Okay, and then overall, whether you have made a grammatical error, if the spelling error is there, you have not written any sentence properly, or the repetition of the point is there, for all such things your marks are deducted under this expression. Okay, and as I've already conveyed to you, for the opening and the closing sentence, good marks are provided. Then coming to the subscription part, you can see I have written two ways of writing the subscription. Either you will be going ahead and writing yours affectionately or yours lovingly. Now be very careful with the formation of Y in yours. Keep it in mind, there is no apostrophe S. There is no apostrophe S. Okay, and formation of the Y has to be considered seriously. Do not go for the cursive capital Y because it is not accepted. Now after the subscription has been written, you can see the comma has been written, and the next line, that is the last line, you have to write your first name and come to the end of the letter. Now overall the format counts for 2.5 mark. The self address, then the date, then the salutation and the subscription. Overall it is of 2.5 mark. Then the body part, when we come to the body part, if you have written 5 points as per the topic given, 2.5 marks for that, and expression you have 5 marks. So overall you can take it that 7.5 marks are left for the body part. So if it is written in an impressive way, you will get good marks. Keep it in mind, for the opening sentence and closing sentence, good marks are provided. 1 mark each is provided for the closing and the opening of sentence. So be careful for mentioning this, and marks are deducted for the grammatical errors, whether it is a spelling error, grammatical error, or even if the repetition of point is there, the marks are deducted.